warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This morning we will do social experiment to know the knowledge from people about syphilis. Hello guys, so today I want to pick some people strangers to ask them what syphilis is. So let's go! Okay, let's go to find some people. Look, there's a girl. Miss, sorry. Can I ask you something?
Yes, what's it?
Do you know about syphilis?
Syphilis? Is it an infection? I think syphilis is sexual transmitted infection, and it is caused by bacteria. I think Treponema pallidum. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you, that's really good. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go find another people. Look, there's a girl. Oh my god. Sorry, can I have your time? Just a moment.
Yes.
Do you know about syphilis?
It seems like I have heard about that, but I don't really understand what is that.
Oh, just it?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Look, there is a Muslimah. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Do you know about syphilis?
I have been before.
Oh, really?
Really?
Oh, it's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oops, I found a couple. Let's get it. Sorry. I can have your time. Do you know about syphilis? Syphilis. I don't know. Oh. Okay, there is a housewife. Let's get it. Sorry, mom. Can I ask you something?
Yes, yes. Of course.
Do you know about syphilis? What is it? Syphilis.
I don't know what this
Oh, you don't know? Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
So based on the people answer, we conclude that the people still don't know what is syphilis. So we decided to invite the patient of syphilis and ask them about how to got the disease and how to cure it.
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry before. I wanna ask you some question and I hope you can answer it honestly. The first question is, how did you get the disease?
Long time ago, I have a bad memories. I have a girlfriend, so many, and with them, I have free sex. After I enjoy my free sex, yeah, you know, I enjoy the free sex, and few weeks after that, firstly, before all symptoms start, there is a little wound on my penis, because that wound is painless and not itchy. I don't pay attention to it. The wound lost and appear by itself after 4 weeks.
Mati. The second question, how do you feel right now, sir?
I have the complaints. There are very many rashes spread throughout the body. Before that, I have a fever, and then muscular pain and throat pain, and also there are swellings in neck, armpit, and groin area, but it is painless.
And what you have done after suffered from this disease, sir?
I feel so shy. Then I never go out from my home. afraid to expose myself to go out from my home. Except I go directly to the doctor. I go to the doctor when many rash spread throughout the body. But when the wound firstly appears on my penis, because it is painless and not itchy, I do not go to the doctor.
The last one, how people around you respond this problem, sir?
They stay away from me. They don't want to be infected my disease. Few of them, like my brother, my parent, tried to advise me how can I solve my problem. But also many of them mock me. Yeah, I regret what I did long time ago.
Okay, thank you for all of this. I hope all the honest answer. Wish you all the best for the next future. Thank you so much.
So I want to tell you about syphilis. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted infection caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum subspecies pallidum. There is some risk factors for syphilis. One is multiple sexual partners. 2. Homosexuals and commercial sex workers. 3. Infants with mothers suffering from syphilis. 4. Sexual relation with patient without protection or condom. 5. Cardiovascular syphilis occurs 3 times higher in men than women after 15 until 30 years after infection.
There are 4 stages of syphilis, but symptoms you have depends on which stage of the disease you are in. But the stage can overlap, and the symptoms don't always develop in the same order. You could even be infected with the sexually transmitted disease and not have any sign for it for years. And the stage of syphilis are called primary, secondary, latent, and then the last one is tertiary or the late stage. So I will tell you all the symptoms typical of each stage. The first one is primary syphilis. The symptoms for this first stage normally appear 10 days to 3 months after you are exposed to syphilis. You might notice that the lymph nodes near your groin are enlarged, and typically the first visible sign of syphilis is a small painless sore, and the doctor call it a cankre on the skin, and it may develop several sores. And it normally appears at the spot where the bacteria entered your body. The sore won't hurt, and it may be hidden inside your rectum or your vagina, and you might not even know that you have it. And the sore will heal on its own in about 3 to 6 weeks, but this doesn't mean that the infection is gone. It means that you are about to enter the second stage of syphilis. And then, the secondary syphilis, it is appear about 2 to 10 weeks after the first sore appears. You may develop these following symptoms like skin rash that causes small reddish and brown sores in your mouth, vagina, and your anus, fever, swollen glands, weight loss, hair loss, headache, extreme tiredness or fatigue, and muscle aches. And if you don't get treatment right away, your symptoms will go away only to come back. And this could happen for up to a year. Even if your symptoms don't return, the infection is still alive in your body. Syphilis will get worse, and you can still infect your sexual partner.
If you are not treated for the secondary syphilis, the disease may progress to the latent phase or hidden phase. But not everyone who has syphilis will go through this phase. If you do, you won't have any symptoms, and some latent cases may progress to tertiary phase of the disease. And the fourth is tertiary syphilis. This is the final, most severe stage of syphilis, and it can appear 10 to 30 years after the initial infection. You might experience permanent organ damage and death. The complication may include: the first is brain or neurological problem, second is stroke, third infection and inflammation of membrane around the brain and spinal cord, numbness, deafness, visual problem or blindness, personality change, dementia, heart valve disease, aneurysm, and inflammation of the disease.
Syphilis is most commonly spread through sexual activity. It may also be transmitted from mother to baby during the pregnancy or at birth, resulting in congenital syphilis. And prevention. What can we do to prevent getting syphilis? There are so much prevention to prevent syphilis, such as: first, use condoms consistently. Second, limit your number of sexual partners. Third, ask about your partner's sexual history. Fourth, avoid contact with any source on the genitals.
happiness, but I'll be okay. If we are meant to be, hey, we'll find a way. But now, let it be. 'Cause you know what they say, you love somebody, you gotta set them free. I love you, but I'm letting go. I love you, but I'm letting go. I love you and I'm letting go. I love you, but I'm letting go. Little did I know love is easy, but why was it so hard? It was like never enough. I gave you, still you want more. Can't you say that you want someone that I know? Yes, I love, but I can't, so I am letting you go now. And baby, one day when you finally find what you want, and you're ready to open your heart to anyone, don't push people away again. It's here, I know, but it's also very lonely. Oh